Hey guys, welcome back to Ignore Logistics. Recently, I purchased a Harbor Freight tire removal machine. I'd seen some pretty good results from it from other folks on YouTube, so I thought I'd give it a shot myself on some four-wheeler tires for a friend of ours. Now, you'll see this is slightly modified, and I've already run into quite a big problem here. The bead on these four-wheeler tires is so strong and so aggressive that I was, first off, bending this little flimsy piece here that is very poorly constructed. All it really needed was an extra brace right here, and it probably would have been great, but the extra, dollar it would have taken them to construct it was too much, I guess. And rather than using hardened steel like they did right here in this stuff, it seems like they just used cheap little construction steel, and it is just wafer thin. So when I modified it to reduce some of the sway and reduce the bending that I got when I removed that tire from that rim, I had a heck of a time drilling it to get this bolt in here. Now, I actually tried to take this bolt out. It was cinched up pretty good, and it was working really well. I got half the bead on this tire done and got to this side and just broke this sucker right down in the middle. Let's see if I can, yeah, just totally broken. So we've got a new series coming, I'm happy to announce, on fixing the little tire machine that couldn't. So we'll be probably replacing this bar with something that's actually got some heft to it. Hopefully we'll do something a little bit more professional than this rigged up bolt that I put in here. And we'll definitely be remaking and reinforcing this piece so that we don't have this weird awkward bent shape that it has just from the amount of play in these pieces, like right here. All they had to do was give us a slightly better, a little bit closer tolerances on these pins, and I feel like half these problems wouldn't have existed. Another problem that I have, this is less an issue with this machine, but this thing is supposed to be portable, and my first time I tried to use it, it literally ripped the concrete anchors out of the concrete. So that's not my favorite thing either. So there's a good chance that I'll probably be modifying this base. This little lip doesn't really hold these tires very well. A lot of little things that need some help on this thing. So anyway, new series coming up. If you're interested in this sort of stuff, you want to see how to improve your crappy Harbor Freight thing,